Everything we do with money starts inside our mind. Your habits, choices, mistakes, and confidence, all shaped by one thing. That is your money mindset. This mindset must form early. The earlier we learn, the stronger we grow. And this mindset can be categorized into 3 possible worlds. Let's step into the first world. This is where the journey begins. The mindset of the people here is always chaotic. This world feels loud and rushed. Nothing ever feels enough here. Come, let's open the door to this world. This is the impulse world, where spending feels exciting and thinking feels optional. Kids who grow up here learn that money is meant to be spent. Adults stuck here stay stressed, broke, and confused. This world teaches nothing except regret. Now, shifting into World 2, a world that feels calmer and more balanced. This space is more predictable and comfortably routine. The mindset of people here is steady, familiar, and warm. Let's uncover what lies within. This is the control world. Here, money is handled with clarity, not feared, not wasted, not worshipped. Kids learn that money has a purpose. Adults learn that planning creates peace. This world doesn't make you rich, but it stops you from becoming poor and keeps you safe. Finally, the last world of money mindset awaits. The world at the top. A world that feels open, bright, and full of possibility. This is the space of clarity and confidence. Here, growth comes naturally. Here, the mindset of people and their choices shape their future. Come, let's feel the energy of this world for a moment. And this is the transform world, the world of financial growth. Here, money works for you. Kids who learn early build confidence. Adults who learn late still transform everything. This world teaches the most important idea. Small habits grow into big opportunities. Everyone starts in the impulse world. Some rise to the control world. Only the aware reach the transform world. Your money mindset decides your future. And the sooner you understand it, the sooner your financial journey begins. That's why every child, teen, and adult needs financial literacy. Not later. Now. More videos on financial wisdom is on the way. Stay tuned with thecuriozone.in.